how was the case?
The case is just that
Madam, where are you coming from? I went to see my friend.
You went to see your friend? How? Don't you know that there's a very big gap between a single lady and a married woman? You don't know that?
Sister, she only said she went to visit her friend and her lodge mate.
Boy, please, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. If you don't have anything to do, you look for something. Make the house clean everywhere, make sure there's food in this house. Okay, tell me. What did you prepare for us to eat?
I didn't make any fresh food, but I have stew in the refrigerator.
Can you just imagine this? I have stew in the... So you don't have anything to do. Begin. You went to see your friend in her lodge.
Auntie, what is this now? What have I done?